Well, hello everybody. Welcome to the May Spellbinders Clubs of the month. You're going to love what we've got this month. There is nothing like a fresh season to come along and make us happy for the change in weather. So, small die of the month is called Ready to Roll, and look at that. Aren't they just adorable with those sunnies? Who doesn't want to take their pets with them when they go on a trip away? That's just adorable. So you're going to get a suitcase which you can build and then put your clothing in or your books, bits and pieces, and then you've got either a dog or a cat or both of the little critters to put into your suitcase or on top of your suitcase. You also have the versatility of being able to decide where you want to put the rolly wheels on your suitcase. Don't forget that you can also make your suitcase so it is closed. Popper Summer is our large die of the month, and I love it when Spellbinders gives us dies with lots and lots of decorative pieces. That bird is amazing, simply really, really cute, and the way you can build him or her into lots of different colors if you want. And then you've got the soda can, and you've got the decorations for the soda can. Then you've got your straw and umbrella. You can make a little kebab or skewer with all your decorative fruits on it. It's just beautifully tropical. There's going to be lots of ways of combining all those beautiful ingredients in this die set. So whether you've got them coming out of the top of your cans or whether you have them decorating around the bottom or indeed combining them with some of our past clubs. Very, very fun. Stitched Sunshine is our stitching die of the month, and this just screams happiness to me. That expression on that sun is just so delightful. But I want you to also remember that you don't have to use the sun in conjunction with the stitched rays. So that gives you versatility on what you use those rays for as a focal point. What you put in the center there is completely up to you, whether it be that amazing little sun or something completely different, whether it's something from this month's kits or something you've got from previous kits. Now our press and foil of the month is fabulous. I love the detail on it. It is called Up and Away. I love the stylized swirly clouds they've got in the background and then the decorative features on each of the balloons. I just think it is such a pretty detailed press plate or foil plate. You can see that you've got so many options, whether you're using the negative or positive print from your foiling, or whether you're going to color ombre your inks when you do your press plating. The opportunities to have so much fun with this set is going to blow your mind. Now our stencil is a great one as well. It is called Dots of Summer. This is a 5-piece layering stencil. So of course you can go bright and bold with the colors of summer. You can do seaside colors. You can do nice neutrals, just depending what you're wanting from your background. Of course, glitter paste, easy to use through these stencils as well. Now there's nothing to say you have to use all 5 layers either. The choice is yours. And stretch this stencil set into other seasons. Burst of Summer is our clear stamp and die set of the month. Now this is a set of sentiments and dies for the sentiments that go perfectly with the themes of the month, as well as if you're in the All Crates Club, it's going to go or has sentiments that match perfectly with your bonuses. So that is cool as well. Now our 3D embossing folder is called Radiant Day, And I love the detailing of the tiles that we get in this 3D embossing folder. You've got different forms of suns in this, all tiled into a pattern. Of course, you can cut up the embossed panel and get a really nice tiled feature. You can cut them up into individual tiles and make patterns out of the embossed paper as well. You're going to have lots of opportunities to play with that one. Poolside is the name of our embossing folder of the month, and that's exactly what you're getting. It may look simple at first, but what it does is actually create an amazing water-inspired texture. The lines on top mimic that of the rippling of water on top of your pool, and then the wavy lines underneath are your tiles on the bottom of your pool. When you lightly ink over the top of this folder or your piece of paper when it's embossed, you're going to get an incredible rippling water scene, perfect for any of your summer cards or as backgrounds for other cards. There is a fabulous reward if you're someone who gets the All Clubs crate, where you've got everything you've seen plus an extra die set called Red, White and Bloom. You've got the Night Sky Celebration Fireworks Embossing folder. It's an A2 size, but still fabulous for making cards. And then you've got your Colour Spark paper set to get you on your way to think about all those beautiful summer cards you're going to make. Well, I certainly hope you have loved the products in this month's clubs as much as I have. Let me know if you do have a favourite or more than one. Until next time, bye bye for now.